dear students. How do you do? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Hi, I am Mohammad Amdadul Haq, an assistant teacher of the High School, Sharasi Chatpur. Welcome to our online school. Dear students, take your English textbook and open at page 22. Lesson 3, Hygiene. Dear students, at the top of the text there are some keywords. If you know the meaning of these keywords, you can understand the text very easily. Let us try to write the meaning of these keywords. Hygiene. Hygiene means the practice of keeping one's living and working place clean, or rules of health. Shastraviti. Godliness. Devotion to God. The বাংলা অর্থ ঈশ্বর ভক্তি। এসি। গেইন। তার বাংলা অর্থ অর্জন। স্পিরিচুয়ালি। মাস্টিক্যালি বাংলা অর্থ আধ্যাত্মিক ভাবে। Dear students, there are some questions above the text. If you read the text, we can answer this question easily. Let us read the text. Take your book in your hand. The word hygiene means the practice of keeping ourselves clean. It also means to keep our home and workplace clean. It is important for our good health. Hygiene is taught to be next to godliness. It is because we cannot achieve anything physically, mentally or spiritually if we are unclean in our body, mind and soul. Nobody likes an unclean person either. So we must follow the rules of hygiene. First, we must keep our body clean. We should have bath every day, wash our hair regularly. Thus, we will keep the body and hair free from dirt and bacteria. Secondly, we should wash our clothes regularly. Dirty clothes give up bad smell and invite germs. We should wear socks and shoes when we go out to protect our feet from dust and germs. It is very important to wash our hand before meals and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day, after breakfast and supper. We must also cut our nails regularly. Our drinking water must be safe. We can get safe water by boiling and filtering. Finally, we should keep our surroundings and environment clean. If we do and follow the above things properly, we will be able to lead healthy and happy life. Dear students, let us try to answer this question about the passage. First question: what can be a hot bed of germs? অর্থাৎ বাংলা অর্থটা বোঝাচ্ছে জীবাণু আস্তানা কি হতে পারে। Follow the book A hotbed of germs can be dirty clothes, or dirty clothes can be the hotbed of germs. How many times should we brush our teeth a day? We should brush our teeth a day twice a day. What kind of water should we drink? We should drink clean or pure and safe water. Dear students, see the point B, true or false. If false, give the correct answer, correct information. Cleanliness is part of good health. Cleanliness is a part of good health. It is true. Answer to hobe it is true. Number 2, cleanliness is very important for mental health. It is also true. Number 3, we need to wear socks and shoes to look smart. False. We need to wear socks and shoes to answer to false. তাহলে আমার কারেক্ট ইনফরমেশনটা আসতেছে we need to wear socks to protect our feet from beat and germs or dust or germs. Number 4, we need to brush our teeth before meals. No, it is false. তাহলে কারেক্ট ইনফরমেশনটা হচ্ছে we need to brush our teeth after meals. এখানে কারেক্ট আনসারটা হবে after meals. We must keep ourselves clean. It is true. We can have pure drinking water from tea wells. It is true. Dear students, see your book. Now I am giving you home task. See point C. Complete the following sentence. You must complete the sentence at your home and show me when our school will school reopen. Stay at home and be happy and be safe. Thank you very much. Thank you all.